For more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Also, ring the bell so you can get notifications anytime I have new videos. Welcome to PuR's Toolbox. I'm PuR Ricalde, and today I am going to cover a super quick video just to show you how to replace your wood siding in case something ever happens and you crack it, like I did. I was going to show the other video on how I attach these quick connect shutters, but what happened was I cracked my siding.
Did that boy just do what I thought he did? Slick move, X-Lax.
And I have to replace this and paint it before I put my new one in. So just a couple more days, just be patient with me. When I was taking them out, you see these nails. One of them caught on here just wrong, and I wasn't paying attention. I pulled it and it cracked it. No big deal. We're gonna take and knock this off. It's only gonna take a couple of minutes. First thing you wanna do is cut your caulk on the sides and get this out the way. Now, sometimes people caulk underneath, and this has been painted numerous times. It's an older house and it is caulked there. No big deal. What you wanna do is take your razor knife and you're gonna score the board above the cracked one and score the cracked board. Then we're gonna, of course, you gotta catch the sides on both of them, okay? Right here. That's the board above it and this board. The reason why I'm doing the one above it and that one is because I want to make sure I can lift this up a little bit in order to get it out and not crack this one. We have to be very careful. So make sure you get it in there, into the slot, and then drag it around, because you don't want to slip and then cut into your siding. It's very easy to do. Now we're going to take, this is the one above it. I'll bring it out just a little bit, just enough to release those nails. You'll have a nail right here. That one's already pulled out and broken loose. We're good. You can hit it, knock them loose. We can get some pliers and pull those out. So we're going to release this one next. See, this one's split in a couple of spots anyway. It was not a very good piece. I have to be very careful not to crack that top. All right? And some of these you can just pull out like that. I can't get it all the way out, but I can snip it easily. So, right there. All right, once we got that, we can take this and pull it down. Now you saw how it cracked. No big deal. I'm taking this out anyway, right? And you can find exactly where your nails are. Okay. Now I can pull it because those nails are not, they're just partially in there. All she wrote. Now I'm going to use my little Works Exact Track. This is my favorite little saw when I'm cutting small things or using sheet goods, because it's real light. It's got a decent amount of power for sheet goods and stuff, and you can cut lumber with it, but you can't cut that all day. I usually use a 4-amp-hour battery. It comes with the little 2-amp-hour battery and a little mini charger. I don't really care for the charger. I bought the heavy-duty one because I use the heck out of this thing. I do this all day long, so if you do not do this, set it on a table. Now, before we go trying to shove this in here, we want to make sure we clean those nails up. Any nails that are sticking out, you want to pull out or snip off. You lift this up gently. I'm replacing one board, so all I have to do is measure it. I have 4.5 on the other side, so I'm going to put 4.5 here, and I'm good. Small 6-penny nails will do this all day long. Galvanized nails. And I'm talking about little finish nails, okay? Galvanized finish nails. I'm going to use my nail gun. This gives me 2-inch nails, or that's what I'm putting in it, and these 2-inch nails are galvanized. 18 gauge. They're not very big, little bitty things that put a small head on there. It's going to hold this securely. We'll putty them up and caulk it, and it's ready to go. Always use galvanized nails or exterior nails when you're working outside. This gun makes light work of everything like that. so easy, guys. I marked off where my studs are. That's it for now. My next video, I'm gonna show how to hang these. I'm just gonna take this and prep it, so I'll clean it all up, paint it, and have it ready. So when we hang these, you'll see exactly how to quick connect them. And we will never have this problem again where we're trying to take shutters off. Super easy. Don't forget to check that out. It's coming real soon. I'll see you guys on the next project. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, and smash that like button. See y'all later.